5 reasons to pursue career in civil engineering. If you've driven on an on-ramp to a highway and you didn't fly off, a civil engineer designed that. If you've walked on a bridge, stood during a building, checked out a dam, observed a wall, you guessed it, the results of civil engineering. Go on to find out 5 reasons why civil engineers rock. Maybe it'll change your mind about this career choice, or perhaps you'll just know a tad more about civil engineering than the remainder of the world. 1. Civil engineers build awesome things. Yes, we've touched on a couple of examples above, but seriously, you get to design amazing things as a civil engineer. The tallest building within the world is the Burj Khalifa, standing at a towering 2,717 feet. You'll see the sunset twice during this building. As a civil engineer, you get to ascertain your designs come to life, from paper or software to the important deal. It's very fulfilling knowing you took part in building something tangible that helps society as an entire. 2. Civil engineering salary isn't too shabby. From there, you'll increase your value and your income by earning a master's degree and, more importantly, your professional engineering (PE) license. According to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, the median pay for a civil engineer in 2016 was $83,540, with the 75th percentile being $104,730. This places it among the highest in engineering fields and is nearly double the national average, $48,664, within the United States. 3. Civil engineers are in demand. Civil engineering careers are predicted to grow at a rate of 11%, quite the national average. They'll be needed to design infrastructure for the rising population, and they'll be required to stay the U.S.'s aging infrastructure working and usable, and hopefully replaced. 4. Civil engineers diversify and grow. As civil engineers develop their careers, they often branch into various other fields that pay more, I'd add. They are going into project management, managing jobs. They become senior, lead engineers that help younger engineers blossom into managers, supervisors, directors, vice presidents, or pave their way as owners and entrepreneurs. You see, civil engineering can be just the start. You'll grow into what you would like to be, whether that's staying as a designer, developing as a manager, or venturing out and becoming an entrepreneur. 5. Down and dirty or clean and classy. Civil engineers are often as messy or as clean as they need to be. What do I mean by that? Don't want to urge your fingers dirty? Sure, there's a spot for you here. Become a design engineer and eventually a principal engineer, stay clean and make an excellent living doing it. You would like to be called at the sector with the blokes, getting dirty, and seeing how it all works and runs? Yes, this is often the career for you. Get a call at the field as a field supervisor over crews, an engineer on site, or a surveyor. If staying within the office for 8 hours each day makes your skin crawl, then find a field job. There are 5 major disciplines of civil engineering: geotechnical, construction, water resources,